Cloning, the very biological concept that astounded millions by just presenting a replica of this sheep named Dolly, right? Just imagine having your deceased dog raised back to life. Magic? I think not. Today, students from the Albeso School of Medicine will be cloning some rats. Come join us. Experience reality from this concept that was once perceived as such.
In 1996, Dolly the sheep was the first mammal to be first cloned by transferring a somatic cell to an inoculated egg cell. To confirm that Dolly the sheep was a true clone, the researchers at the University of Hawaii used the same process in 1998. In this activity, I will be teaching my students to stimulate the steps used by the researchers at Hawaii and produce a clone of a mouse. The process will be called the somatic cell nuclear transfer. Before we start the experiment, we need to prepare the following: gloves, mask, lab gown, somatic cell donor, egg cell donor, surrogate mother, 4 petri dishes, forceps, and divide a lot serum. Step 1. From the somatic cell donor, take the cumulus cell and place it in the petri dish 1. Any somatic cell from a diploid individual could be cloned. Step 2. From the egg cell donor, take the egg cell and place it in the petri dish 2. The cytoplasm of the egg cell is needed for the embryonic development. Step 3. Place the inoculated egg in petri dish number 3. Once the nucleus has been removed, the inoculated egg are stored in a special solution inside the petri dish number 3 until the new nucleus can be injected. Step 4. Take out the nucleus from the cumulus cell in petri dish number 1, making sure that no cytoplasm is left surrounding the nucleus. Isolating the nucleus from the cytoplasm ensures that only the DNA from the somatic cumulus cell is placed into the inoculated egg. Step 5. Place the cumulus cell nucleus into the inoculated egg in petri dish number 3. The process of removing the somatic cell nucleus and injecting it into the inoculated egg should take no more than 5 minutes. Step 6. Tape on the back the egg cell with the newly replaced nucleus onto petri dish number 4 and let it rest for about 2 minutes. This waiting time represents the 1 to 6 hours that the new nucleus needs to successfully adjust to the egg cell. Step 7. The new egg cell needs to be chemically stimulated in order to divide and grow into an embryo. Before the new egg can be implanted into the surrogate mother, cell division must occur. A solution of chemicals is used to stimulate the egg to divide. Step 8. After it is chemically stimulated, the new egg cell divides into a ball of cells called a morula. Step 9. After the new egg cell divides into a morula, it is placed into the womb of the surrogate mother mouse. The surrogate mother provides the womb where the development of the morula takes place.
Truly, cloning is but a puzzle for the human race to solve. But before we can solve that puzzle, we need to discover more of it first. Thanks for joining us. This has been Hans de Guzman from Albeso School of Medicine.